Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this error, your rendering device has been lost, application closing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this running problem on Overwatch easily. So this problem occurs when your drivers are having issues with the game. So if you want to fix this error, you'll have to roll back your GPU drivers. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here device manager, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into display adapters. You'll have your graphics card here. You're going to right click on it, click properties, go into driver, and then just click either rollback driver if you have it available, or click uninstall device. And once you uninstall the device, it will uninstall the graphics card's driver from your computer, and then it will install Microsoft's basic display adapter. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to search for NVIDIA or AMD's GPU. I'll show you how to do it on NVIDIA. You're going to click onto nvidia.com, click onto drivers here, and then scroll down, fill in this form. After that, click start search, wait for it to search for your driver. Once it's done, now you can just install any old driver. So as this is the latest one, you can try to install this old driver, or you can try to install this one. So just try to install an older driver. And once you do that, now when you try to play Overwatch, you'll see that your game will now work. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.